So I'm going to try to solve this trigonometric equation found in Anthony Doerr's All the Light We Cannot See. I'm going to have to solve for D, and we're going to have to use some trigonometric identities. First, you have to define tangent alpha as sine alpha. Tangent beta is sine beta over cosine beta. And we're also going to use the addition identity for sine. Alpha plus beta is sine alpha cosine beta plus cosine alpha sine beta. So I'm going to use these three to solve for this equation. We're going to start off by factoring out D. We're going to be left with 1 alpha. Okay. And then we're going to have to simplify this. We'll rename tangent alpha to sine alpha over cosine alpha, so that's 1 over. So I'll have a fraction as a denominator. Now to simplify this, we're going to have to flip this as we go along. This is now cosine alpha over sine alpha. By the way, yes, this is a cotangent. And by definition, this is a cotangent. Cosine over sine. Same thing here. Cosine beta, sine beta. Now, we're going to have to simplify the inside of this, inside of the parentheses. So what we're going to do is we're going to form a numerator, and we're going to have to cross multiply. It's going to be cosine alpha sine beta, and then cross multiply that one, plus sine alpha cosine beta. Now the denominator is going to be simply the product of your two denominators, sine alpha sine beta. Okay, this is all equal to L. I'm going to continue on this side. Now this numerator here is actually an identity. It's sine alpha plus beta. It's an addition identity. So I'll just copy it. Divide as sine alpha plus beta. Divided by same denominator. Alright, so now we need to solve for D. And the trick here is that since D is being multiplied by a fraction, we're going to transpose this fraction to the other side by flipping it. I'm transposing the reciprocal of this fraction here. That's going to be L times, now this is going to be the numerator now, sine alpha sine beta divided by the addition identity. Is equal to D. And that's how it should look like in the book. Let's just check. Okay, that's how it's supposed to look like in the book. Let's just simplify the one we got. So basically we're just putting L into the numerator. So it's simply L times sine A sine beta sine and there we go. That's your final answer, and it should look the same as the one in the book.